Hey, oh, look at this beautiful girl. Hi, what is your name? Chualai? Erin, okay. This is Siam in the evening. So today we are bringing you this video from Siam, and we are starting in front of MBK Center. And I hope you saw the dancing skills from the kids in Bangkok. They are enjoying themselves. As I told you in the other video, if you want to enjoy yourself free, if you want to entertain yourself freely without paying anything on weekends, visit Siam. This video is about evening in Siam, and we are going to show you around the place, what is happening on the streets, the evening side of this place, and things that goes on the streets. So follow me, enjoy the video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So these artifacts are in front of the MBK shopping center. So let me read. Thai ancestors normally own the lands passed down from generation to generation. According to ancient beliefs, when the owners pass away, some of them might have made enough merit to become deities or angels. That is why the descendants can pay homage to these spirits for blessing. The spirit's house, mounted on 4 pillars, is located at a lower level than the shrine of the house or household god. Oh, okay, so this is the spirit's house. Oh, nice. So this is where they pay, the family members pay respect to their gods, those they think made go to this world, and so they deserve to be worshipped. They deserve to be regarded as gods. And this is in front of MBK shopping center. Yeah, so this train is coming from the MBK BTS station. Yeah, you can see it from this side too. Yeah. So when you come to Bangkok, especially when you go outside, there are a lot of content creators around. People are creating content for their pages and for other means. I want to show you. This is Siam Discovery. So when you come to Siam, they have a lot of shopping centers here, and this place, this Siam Discovery, is one of the shopping centers. So in the evening, this is how it looks like. Let me show it to you. This is how beautiful it is. Yes, in the evening, you can see everything. We have some designs with the colors and it looks beautiful. So in the evening too, you can come and stay here and enjoy yourself. Good, looking at the beauty of some of the buildings, and even heal you if you are bored. This is Siam Discovery Shopping Center. So let's go and see the other part of yeah, and this in the evening, this is the Bangkok Culture Center. This is how it looks like in the evening. Yeah, so this is how it looks like in the evening. So this is the building, and in front of the Siam Discovery and MBK Mall, they have these designs they have created on top. So it's connect this place. What you're looking at connect the BTS station. There is one BTS station here. MBK, they have named it MBK BTS station, and this is the MBK Tower, right? The MBK shopping center, and the Siam Discovery Shopping Center. So this place connects all those parts. This place connects all those places, and people have also used it because of the designs here, because of these things that they have put here. People take a lot of pictures. People come and enjoy themselves. This also helps promote the mall, because whilst people are coming to take pictures here and other stuff, they also go to the mall and buy things there. Here. So this is MBK Center in the evening. This is MBK in the evening. This is how it looks like. So if you want to come to MBK in the evening, this is what you're going to see. This is what you're going to see in the evening. And I think it looks good. It looks beautiful. Yes, this is a roadside. A lot of traffic. And this is how Siam looks like in the evening. And this is also Siam Scope. Siam Scope. They have this runabout here. I don't know whether it's runabout or something, but look, this compound, and they created this thing. It looks beautiful. I always come and look at it when I'm at this place. Let me go back for you to see. It's like a ring, right? Yeah, that you see it from the top. You can look, yeah. This is Siam in front of MBK Shopping Center. Now let's get to the street and let's look at the street of Siam, and then we'll go to where they play the concert, street concert in the evening, which is free. Yeah, it is free. You can enjoy it without paying anything. On the roadside, how the Siam Discovery looks like. It looks beautiful, and I think you would want to see it. Let's get down. So I'm using the stairs. And then in Thailand too, mostly they have the king's picture, and then they have some flowers just to show respect to the king. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. The building looks amazing in the evening, especially when they have the lights on. And here, the Siam Discovery, this is how it looks like in the evening. It looks beautiful. So this is Siam Discovery, Siam Center, and then Siam Paragon. So everything Siam. Yeah, so this is the picture of the king in front of the Siam Discovery. So people pay respect to him. Yeah, this is the Siam Discovery design. Yeah, and this building is Siam Center. When you come to Siam in the evening, it looks beautiful, it looks amazing, and you can stay here from afternoon till evening and you will never get bored. Yeah, I tell you, it's a promise. You'll not get bored. And I will say, yeah. And I will say it means if you are not from Ghana, it means I'm asking you, like, what do you mean? Do you agree with me or not? Yeah. So that's the meaning of an I will say. Let me show you the entrance of Siam Center. This is the entrance of Siam Center. And look at the building. Oh, that's Siam Square. Oh, look at the shoe. Now I'm in front of Siam Paragon, if you can see. So this is the building, and that is Siam Center, and this is the BTS station. So in the evening, if you are outside in front of the Siam Paragon shopping center, this is how the BTS station looks like. Yeah, it looks beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. This is how it looks like in the evening. Yeah, this is where I was showing you the fountain. So they have this fountain here. It's always flowing 24/7. It's always flowing. So it's outside the mall, and it looks amazing. It looks amazing. I hope you can see it. This is also flowing, and you see it when you're on the roadside. Yeah. So this is in front of the Siam Paragon. Yeah, Siam Paragon shopping center. Come to Siam in the evening, they don't joke with their happiness, they don't joke with entertainment. You see, only girls born. There is where we are ending today's show. So today's video was from Siam in the evening. And so if you have nothing to do and you're bored, hi, hey, oh, look at this beautiful girl. Hi, what is your name? Shualai? Erin, okay, Erin, nice to meet you. High five, high five. Bye bye. Okay, so that was a beautiful girl. You wanted to be in the video. Yeah, so as I was saying, if you are bored in the house Sunday evening and you don't have anything to do, you can come to Siam and you can enjoy a lot of street entertainment for free and you're not going to pay anything. You can just walk around, take a show, and you're gonna thank me later. So thank you for watching the video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. The name remains Mr. Manuel. Bakope means number one. Bye bye.